Hello everyone, I am Hanish Santosh Sankhi. I am from SARS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation. My subject is Service Operation Management. My topic is Service System Design for Tourism Industry and Impact of Technology on the same. So let's see. Process based management in tourism. It's my overview. Technology has helped reduce cost, enhance operational efficiency, and improve service and customer experience. Both customer and businesses can benefit from improved communication, reservation, and guest service also. The technology has helped tourism and hospitality industries also replace expensive human labor with technological labor. Means what? This help reduce labor cost, but also help avoid a customer services issue like some contact with technological effect or provide information about data collection is a wanted to IT experience. This tourism industry technological effect is a internet marketing, computer system, mobile communication, other instruments like this use technology in the tourism industry has helped speed up the operation and help the traveling process much more enjoyable and efficient. Technology not only help a large chain hotel but can also be useful a B2B type smaller company in the industry where are the use for a huge use in a technology for a tourism industry. So, learning of objectives of tourism industry. Apply process thinking in a travel and tourism as I explained above. Consider how the tourism futurecast and innovative technology understand relationship of the traditional function of management in case related the concept theories and technique of processes in thinking the tourism system. Next is what is the process? A process, in short, is a system in operation to produce an output of higher value than the sum of the input. Business process definition. Definition 1. A collection of activities that take one or more kind of input and create an output that is a value of customer. Definition 2. A set of logically related tasks performed to achieve a defined business outcomes. What is PBM? PBM is a management approach that governs the mindset and action in an organization. How an organization manage its operation align with and support by vision, mission and value of the organization. The basics of decision and action. PBM in a tourism industry. A holistic approach not focus on only product. These are a tourism industry means a service industry. Most basic concept of the tourism industry is a service industry. Consider how each performance affect the tourism company and among of different processes enable an organization to optimize and to satisfy need all the stakeholder. Stakeholder means the buying or own the business of the company. What is a BPR? Re-engineering is a fundamental rethinking and radical design of business process to achieve dramatic improvement in critical contemporary measures of performance such as a cost, quality, service and speed also. Hammer and Davenport, a big bang, the top-down technology as a enable of the change. More incremental continuous improvement with total quality means of TQM technology for a driver of changes. Next is PPR underlying principle. concentrating on a process, focusing on customer. Concentrating on process means the change in mindset from a specialist knowledge based function silent to cross function completion. Focus on customer throughout the organization supply chain. Organization boundaries less and less important, one of the hallmark of BPR to the tourism industry. Next it what makes BPR happen? Internal factor, external factor, change in technology, the management sponsorship, important of the internal driver for a BPR. It must be integrated strategic support, allowing independent to make the philosophy of PBM a success. The middle management and employee need to recognize their part of the process and take ownership of its the optimal result, working towards a common goal, harmony across different work group and department. Identification identifying a process based tourism organization. A process based tourism organization characteristics that the make instantly recognizable. See every interaction with a customer, tourist, traveler, or many more as a learning opportunity. Develop and encourage flexible cross-functional team. Reward employee for increasing customer value. Reward information sharing and knowledge transfer across the function and team. Thinking tourism organization with the holographic organization design. Each interdependent part reflect the essence of the whole. Tourism future cast in influencing PBM. Tourism, one of the most important economic sector of the 21st century, PBM and PBR tools to improve tourism effectiveness, profitability and competitiveness. Business as usual in tourism should be changed. Right now, tourism business must take a sense of new technology, genealogical difference, geopolitical shift in power, continue economic crisis, the need of our planet. The business must adapt to people increasingly more demanding, main customer tourism and traveler, where the pursuit or profit alone is no longer enough. There is a needed tourism industry revolution. Purpose of significance. Why and how would a tourist want to go? How would a tourist like us spend his holidays? The tourism of in the future more profound meaning of the industry or destination and people who live there. 21st century tourism business have purpose creating meaning that goes the beyond the work itself and the creation of profit for a purpose of significance. Future cast social driver, evolution of profile of tourist and traveler, and numerous ongoing and casted paradigm shift should be considered a highly important input of an organization company, PBM and BPR. Innovative technology for impact of PBR. The future of tourism using new technology implies on a board of range possibilities from a augmented reality, real-time translation, travel guidance communication to biometric etc. Innovative technology enable and help the continuously obtain and pulse of tourists. The understand your tourist capturing their real feeling, what they want, expect and experience in a real time to create a design, deliver and measure emotional experience of our tourist. Next is PBM in tourism making. Two types of companies. Thus the marketing department and thus the marketing source. The process based on marketing PBM is involved that change in generic foundation of the company. Company sales, integrating marketing classic marketing departmental displays across the organization. The key role of the marketplace leader are operational excellence, and focus in innovation. Experiment in a new planning. No two people will connect to tourism brand in the same way of the same reason, the same story or via the same channel. Technology is a realistic. It affect a very industry often in way that are difficult, if not possible, to anticipate. There is a no idea what's going to happen in tourism industry. That's why we have built the organization into an engine of a possibility so that the need and a evaluating portfolio of the strategic experiment. Example of PBR in tourism, online reservation, Malabar Beach Hotel, EasyJet Hotel, cruises, Hong Kong Pan Pari River Delta tourism market it is. In short, and a discussion issue BPR, fundamental rethinking and radial design of business process to achieve a dramatic improvement in contemporary measure of performance, cost, quality, service, and speed, and generic business process in tourism are identified for primary informing potential customer of travel and product, getting sales, delivery travel product, coordinating activities. It is in short, tourism, forecast, and innovative technology, unavoidable input in PBM and PBR in a tourism organization companies of today and in a future. BPR in a tourism marketing and planning process. Significant changes with flexibility, fluidity, and uncertainty as the most important characteristics. Thank you.